Welcome friends. Hello. How are you? Do you have an idea, friends? What is a worm infestation? In the human intestines? Yes, it's correct. What you heard. The worm invasion and harboring successfully in the human intestines in the form of eggs is said to be the worm infestation or the worm infection. That is the entry. Entry is oral. As said, the following are very commonly found worms in the human intestines. 1 is roundworm, 2 pinworm, 3 hookworm, and 4 is tapeworm. You see the worms and their shapes. In the picture. Once the infection is present in the human intestines, the following are the symptoms: pain in the abdomen, that is in the stomach, vomiting, loss of appetite, bloodlessness, that is anemia, and skin problems. How do we get the problem in our day-to-day life? Through vegetables, poor hygiene, especially hands, hotel food, or boiled vegetables, and so on, and also using toilets without slippers. Please subscribe my channel, friends. Well, now what is the remedy to get rid of this problem? Nowadays it is very simple to treatment, friends. One single dose, and you have to repeat the second dose after 15 days of the first dose.